Hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And looking at Tesla again, yesterday, this stock, I can't get a hang on. It rallied up here. I was trying to get rid of this thing, but I can't. Anyway, so the stock had been going up, traded down for a couple days like that, and then yesterday pushed higher. And the volume was pretty good, pretty good volume here yesterday, and it pushed to a new high, relative to all this stuff. Almost hit 800. Then the problem was, and so I looked at that, and I would think the stock would continue higher because of this, big rally, then just a couple days of kind of a mild pullback, not a big deal at all. And then we get a gap down and a really, really pretty strong close. And so my suspicion was that the stock would continue higher. But it's like, there I go thinking again. The stock gapped down. It didn't even make a dent as far as any upside. So now we've got this situation where I'm looking at this as kind of a bull trap. Everybody's looking to always buy Tesla on the cheap and this and that. Guys, Tesla was cheap back here. I'm not bearish or bullish on this stock. I mean, is the stock overvalued? Well, hell, of course it is. But it's been overvalued forever. So the fundamentals actually don't really matter. If you're looking at the fundamentals on a stock like this, then, good luck to you. You have to really trade this thing technically. And right now, as I see the weekly chart, it's kind of chopping around here, but there's just, in my view, there's no question that the stock's ultimately going to continue lower. I don't see a big catalyst for the stock to be moving higher. Elon Musk has pretty much said that business is not good. If you read the news about him, he's cutting 10% of the workforce. If you don't want to work in the office, then don't show up. You're done. I feel bad. I feel like we're going to be in a really bad recession. Me too. Auto sales aren't going great. Not going to be so great. So he's really forecast by Twitter, the usual mode of communication for Elon. He's really forecast that things are not really good. And so why would there be some big money that's aggressively buying this stock? I don't see it. And so I'm looking at this as a stock that is more than likely going lower. That's the way I'm trading it, though I got a really, really crappy entry on my bearish trade. But I'll stick with it because it's still in my risk parameters. But I would not be buying Tesla. If the stock runs back above 800, then, if you're short the stock, you can't take more than a 15% loss on that short. I wouldn't even take that much. But just be ready for Tesla to go lower. That's all I'll say. And don't be a sucker. Don't be a bag holder. Just own this stock and ride it down into the ground. This is not going to be the next winner. It's been a winner. Okay, you don't. I saw a picture of Mickey Mantle today. I'm not going to tell you where I was standing, but I saw a picture of Mickey Mantle, and I remember thinking, like, God, that guy's one of the greats. Okay, fine. And I actually met him once, but that's for another story. But if he was still with us today, I wouldn't want him on my baseball team because he was awesome then, not so much now. And so what you want to be doing is, get rid of your Tesla fetish here and start looking for the next winners, not the last winners, hoping they'll lead you to riches and fame and all that. That's just unimaginative. All right. So I just wouldn't be holding this stock. I'll put it that way. All right. See y'all next time.